Skal jeg stå der og lege på Wikitianer, så jeg ser på situationen i stuen.
Så vil jeg ikke fortælle det, jeg var ved at fortælle. Nej.
Kom nu!
Nej. Jeg er glad for, at jeg ikke hørte det så.
Ja. God idé.
Er jeg?
Ja, er du.
Hvem skal jeg så gemme mig bag ved din lyd? Så,
Jeg var på godt, de gemmer bare hovedet.
altså lige et ryg. Nu skal jeg med det her. Vi bliver aldrig færdige med den historie, hvis der er nogen, der bliver ved med at afbryde.
That's correctly.
Jeg er lige blevet...
Yeah. Hey.
Jeg siger, connecter ikke.
Don't.
The Admiral is not
No, trying. Oh yeah, alright. Så kommer den og trøstede hende.
Hvem er hendes med? Lige.
I was crying and then what? What am I doing now?
Silently.
Yeah, hot tears running down her cheeks and onto her pillow. Look, as he calls it. The train.
What?
The train.
Oh yeah, straight.
Hvad er det rester? Det ligger jo også sådan noget.
Det er godt været hårdt.
Det sidder også.
Du har huden i.
Ja, she's pain, grief and loneliness anymore. But she didn't have the energy to do anything about it. Not even think of it. So she simply
Did think of it?
Jo, hun gør nok.
Okay.
Hun glæder. The tears falling one by one onto her pillow. Suddenly, she felt a presence outside the door.
Not you. Not you. Presence. Not you.
Yes, that's it.
It's your husband. I'm sorry I have to break it like this, but how many husbands am I going to have tonight? Only four.
One. Well, actually, this story had another husband too, so.
I thought it was free.
Yeah, well, I'm not a husband, I'm a wife, isn't I?
Oh.
Just a break.
Oh, right. Yeah, what am I feeling now? She just had time to turn halfway around and look at the door before it opened. She'd known him even before she saw him. She knew she would always be able to recognize him anywhere in the galaxy, no matter what he might look like. It was Luke.
Nice.
Oh, wait.
He had been silently, his soul barely making any noise. Behind him. Are you alright? He looked slightly concerned. I felt your scream. Mira had turned completely and moved her legs a bit to make room for them.
Det er jo ikke, hvor hun står.
Yes, I'm okay. Not to lie.
And then he made it was bloody hard tonight, Jedi. What?
What?
It was bloody hard? What was bloody hard? How bloody? Tonight.
Bloody don't know. Bloody hate being a girl.
He noticed. As he sat on the bed, she could see the very care shining in his eyes.
Det kan det ikke.
I didn't hear a thing.
He truly cared about her. She thought, he really did. Mel was so too. She said, alright, and again felt the tears starting to run down her cheeks.
Oh, it's like Shakespeare.
Look, expanded his aura of understanding and care, compassion and warmth.
I'm really excited.
Despite the uncomfortable position it was, Mel fell into those arms. It was like the closer she got to him, girl took notice of unpleasantness in sleep. I just couldn't take the loneliness anymore, she said, as a way of explanation. I just couldn't. She hadn't time. He stroked her hair. That would be here when we meet, and that happens soon. A stay for as long as we wish. His embrace was warm and comforting. And I was stirred and drew back enough to look into his eyes. He meant it. All he had to do was ask, and then he would stay with her forever in his arms and care and love. No editing inside. Crucio. It was tempting. And never known Luke to break free. Lucas passed out. Revive him! No! Take up the plane.
What? Ja, det lykkedes endelig med at Jane at slå Luke ihjel.
Okay, så er jeg slut, fordi jeg griner.
Jeg vil gerne sidde og lave et fortællerskuespilstykke. Hvis fortællerstemmer, så er I ikke lavet skuespil.
Hvordan kan du snakke om at lave skuespil, når du er død?
Ja, Luke er død, det er, hvad situationen er lige nu. Jane er solo out.